How many of y'all out there have heard of Ed Milet? Anybody? I know I have. He gave a keynote address at a conference I was at recently, and he said something that really stuck to me. As someone who loves business and who loves getting the most out of life, he said, hear me out, winning is more fun than fun is fun. It really hit home, especially in this day and age with this generation. Oh, it's okay, sweetie, as long as you're having fun. Oh yeah, I'm not serious about it, I just do it for fun. Well, the I just do it for fun, participation-driven generation is in for a bit of a disappointment because having fun doesn't pay the bills. Having fun doesn't help you acquire your next property. Having fun doesn't build your next business. Winning will help you build your next business. And let's be honest, everybody out there who's just into having fun, you've got your thing. Is it board games? Is it escape rooms? Is it sports? Is it sports betting? You know, it feels good when you win. So here's what I'm saying. In your heart, don't sell yourself short. A lot of people just have fun because they don't like the pain and the discomfort of losing. Losing doesn't feel nice. I know losing doesn't feel nice, but you know what feels even less nice? Not trying your hardest because you're scared to lose. Not trying your hardest so that you don't have a chance of winning. Selling yourself short, that sucks. Don't do that. Don't do that. So next time you play to win. If it's in your career, if it's in your real estate investment portfolio, or if it's just in life in general, remember, everything feels just a little bit more fun when you win. So know what your win is and play for it. That's nothing to be ashamed of. That's nothing to hide behind. You know what? Go for it. Because winning is more fun than fun is fun.